Discover your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This week we're going to learn A major chord. Stick around. Alright my friends, this is very easy. So the A major starts like this. First you put your first finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string. Second finger, this one over here, goes on 2nd fret, 3rd string. And third finger goes on 2nd fret, 2nd string. And that's your A major. Now remember, always use your fingertips, these ones over here, use your fingertips, and to have a clear sound. Don't play like this. You're not gonna get the result that you need, but always play like this. And always, your thumb, always use it in the middle of the fretboard. Not like this or not like this. In order, if you do it the right way that I show you, you're gonna have a lot of space here in the hand, and that gives you a lot of flexibility. Because if you play your strings this way that I showed you, you're not gonna touch the adjacent strings. You're not gonna have a problem like this. You see that? You don't want that. This is what you need. And that's how you do it, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.